Hi there, students. Frugal, an adjective. Frugally, the adverb. And I guess frugality, yeah, the quality of being frugal. Okay, if somebody is frugal, they are economical, they're sparing, they're careful when they use money or food or supplies to use in a small amount, to use the least amount necessary. So he lives a very frugal lifestyle. He doesn't spend money on designer clothes and flash cars and things like that. Yeah, he's frugal with his money. Um, we ate a frugal meal of soup and bread. Okay, so frugal, economical, sparing, avoiding unnecessary expenditure or use of resources. Yeah, try not to waste things. Um, okay, so practicing economy and expenditure of resources. You can also use it meaning simple or costing very little, inexpensive. So we had a very frugal meal. Um, we're going to have to be very frugal with this budget. Thrifty. I think thrifty is a word the Americans like. I think if you call something frugal, you're saying this is something good, this is something virtuous, this is avoiding waste and living simply. Yeah, to be sparing when you spend money, or to be sparing with the amount of resource that you use. Yeah, I think if we all lived a more frugal lifestyle, then this would certainly have an effect on global warming. So, frugal, to be cautious, to be prudent, to be saving. And then the other one, frugal, just plain simple, not pretentious, without all of the lavish extras. Okay, so frugal, characterized by economy in the use of resources. He frugally obtained the best bargains at the market. Yeah, being frugal, I think, is a good quality. Okay, so a frugal life, a frugal lifestyle. Yeah, frugal living is a good way to make ends meet, to mean that your budget will last to the end of the month. So it's got this idea of being prudent. Yeah, we must practice absolute frugality and economy. Otherwise, we're going to run out of money before the end of the month. He frugally saved everything that was left over and was able to use it at a later date. Um, in the monastery, the monks lived very frugal lives. They had a frugal life where they only had cheese and water. Yeah, so to be frugal, to use basic economy, yeah, not to have a very costly flash life. Okay, so I think frugality is a good thing. So thrifty, sparing, careful, prudent, provident, penny wise, saving. Yeah, the opposite of lavish, luxurious, extravagant, wasteful. And then frugal, meager, economical. Yeah, so yeah, a frugal diet. Formality, frugal. it's probably a little bit on the literary side. You could say you could use economical, yeah, or thrifty informally. I think you could use frugal informally as well. I think I'm going to give frugal, yeah, a 6 in formality. Um, and then as to origin, this comes from Latin, frugalis, meaning virtuous or thrifty. Okay, being economical, thrifty. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Frugal, frugally, frugality.